Hello everyone, welcome back. I am so sorry, it's been so long. I've been quite very busy and my computer had an issue so it was in the shop. But I'm back now and today I'm gonna show you some little tip of another relaxation video. And the video today it's gonna be very much the same. I'm gonna just show you guys around. So here's the video I have or happened here. So you see this color. So I took this video in Oregon coast. The color is like very, kind of grayish. And so what I'm gonna show you today is making the color to make it look a night color. Do you know like some of those relaxation video they put it like at night, kind of at night time. You cannot record a video at nighttime. The best way you can do is make the one on the daytime and make it like a gray color like this and make it look like a nighttime. So today I'm gonna show you how, but I'm gonna play with my video really quick to see which one I need to be cut out. Okay, so let's try it. See some of this like I still play with my camera and it's still shaking and already it's not clear. So around this clip it seems like it's very clear already. I'm gonna cut it out, okay, and then cut it. You know how to cut it? Just go into the blade. If you are first time here, just go into the blade and cut it and then go back into the mouse. You don't want it. You want to cut it out. So and you don't wanna cut just the person out. You want to cut the whole entire thing out. Like see all the way over here. I'm gonna cut the whole clip out. Okay, and then just delete it. I do not want to have a video on it. I mean, sorry, I don't want to have a sound on it. So I technically kind of like unlink. So you want to go right click, unlink, and you can just delete the sound out. And then after that, you can just cut it in a half as normal. But before you cut it in a half, you want to click on this. I want to make it like a night look, like you recording at night. Okay, so this is no good to make the color look better. So what I'm going to play, I'm going to go into the effects. You go over here and then you go into luminance color. So you go over there, you can play around with the color, but what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna make it a bit darker, and then I'm gonna play with the blue one. I'm gonna make it look like nighttime, make it very kind of blue nightish. Okay, play around like maybe like this, like maybe kind of like night soft color, but you still can see the very white um, wave that coming in from the water to make it look like a night. So this is not too bad, and then the sky will be kind of dark so you don't really see the movement of the sky much. So let's play. So it's not too bad. Make it a bit bigger. You see that? So yeah, so it's quite nice. It looked like a nighttime. What do you think? You can make it like bright a little bit, like playing with this color, but not too much. Yeah. Okay, so now it look like night, right? So it's super easy, isn't it? Yeah. I don't mind with this color, so sometimes with color like night color, it's a lot easier to make a relaxation video. But people kind of like it. It's like make feel like calm night, so make them kind of sleep good. Okay, I kind of like this. I don't know if I need to do a little bit lighter, but now I want to make it like more like a real night, like dark outside, blue. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, okay, maybe a little bit lighter. Maybe it's like this. How about that? Yeah, that's not too bad. Okay. Alright, yeah, so it looks like a night to me. The sky is very dark and blue, and the color is very light white wave. So alright, so it seems like I kind of like this color already. I don't want to play it too long. It's just, it just, when you play it too long, it just wastes a lot of time. So I'm gonna do the same thing. If you are new here, I already been tell everyone, well, the last video so many times, but I'm gonna tell you again and again until you remember. So all you need to do to loop this video is by click the blade, cut somewhere in the middle, right here. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect in the middle, like that. It's a little bit, and then pull the first one to the back one to the first, and then put it in the middle right there. I normally just put it right here, and then go into the effects, and then go into transitions, and then you go into not even this one. Oh yeah, video transitions. Oh man, this right here. And then you want to go into this salt, and then you want to go into cross this salt, and then all you need to do is just drag, and this is make it longer, and you want to make it bigger. You want to pull it up over here, okay, and then you pull it down right here, and then, okay, and make it a bit longer, and then move this one to over here. Maybe make this a bit bigger. Okay, now you can see how our clip looks like. You see my camera, for some reason it's movement. Do you see this? That's no good. So for some reason the rock was over here, and then the other clip, the rock is moving over here. It's moving somewhere when I record this video. I don't know where and when, so now we're gonna have to play around in the middle, back and forth, back and forth. Let me pull this one to over here, maybe that can help. See, and it's now, and I still see people walking. Okay, move to over here, move to over here a little bit more. Okay, let's see. This is no good, guys. I may have to use a different clip, but this one, it's useless. But yeah, so this is just the one that I want to show you how to use the color. So if you have a still video, you can use do the same thing, okay? But this one I'm not going to use, but because I already made it, I'm not gonna do it again. So I'm gonna just post it so you can see. But technically my camera is moving the whole time and I cannot use it. Yeah, right now I can put it all the way and then it's gonna still see it. You see that? And that's no good. And go all the way to over here. So now I will not use this one. But alright guys, so that's how you change the color to the nighttime, and that's how you loop the video. If you don't have the moving cameras right here, you're technically done. So all you need to do is just like you select all of it, okay, and then you click on Alt, and then click on the left mouse and then drag it up, okay, and then just click all and then move it, put it in the front, and then you just this also when you get into this middle will be have no problem, like you cannot tell. So that's how it is. But the only clip in is this in the middle. If the camera is not moving to make the rock look very like obvious, I'll use this video, but I can't use this one because the camera moving, so it looks very noticeable. So I'm not going to keep it. Well, that's all I have for today, everyone. So I hope you all have a wonderful holiday, and I hope you learned a lot from this video. I know that came out very wrong a little bit, but I hope you're still learning how to grade the color to make it look like night. Alright, so see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.